one of the most sophisticated ship repair yards in South Asia. Largest dockyard in the Bay of Bengal region. Technologically advanced and self-reliant. A strategic national asset spread over 663 acres. With a motivated workforce of nearly 5,600 defence personnel. The yard has successfully undertaken all kinds of repair, refits as well as docking operations. This is the Naval Dockyard, Visakhapatnam. With 50 years of dedication, hard work and excellence in the service of the nation. The Naval Dockyard at Visakhapatnam is a premier operational support establishment of the Eastern Naval Command of the Indian Navy. It provides technical support and services to submarines and warships based in the eastern seaboard. This Sunrise Command plays a significant role in maintaining the maritime security in the Bay of Bengal region and beyond, by ensuring combat readiness of naval platforms through a cohesive, professional and motivated workforce. The dockyard today is known for its excellence in maintenance, repair and modernization of technologically advanced warships and submarines. In December 1941, shortly after the beginning of the Second World War, the Royal Navy had set up a boat repair workshop to support the coastal forces and the Indian Army units in Burma on the Eastern Front. Post-independence, the Union Cabinet approved the proposal for establishing a naval base and dockyard to support ships and submarines on the eastern seaboard. With the advent of the 1965 Indo-Pak War and increasing Chinese aggression in the north, the nation's planners envisaged a full-fledged naval dockyard. Finally, after a remarkable development of infrastructure, strengthened with expertise, the boat repair organization was rechristened as the Naval Dockyard, Visakhapatnam in 1972. Today, it is a full-fledged, state-of-the-art naval dockyard that supports modern platforms of the 21st century. The dockyard undertakes refits and operational repairs of ships and submarines of the Indian Navy and vessels of friendly foreign nations. But apart from repairs, it also undertakes midlife upgrades and modernization of naval platforms where old conventional equipment is replaced by contemporary technologies of modern warfare. All this is achieved through a motivated workforce of naval personnel in uniform and defense civilians. Together, they ensure combat readiness of the Eastern Fleet and all naval platforms based under the Eastern Naval Command at West Bengal, Orissa, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. This in turn protects the nation's maritime interests whenever and wherever needed. The Naval Dockyard Visakhapatnam is organized into various departments comprising over 100 work centers, with each center specialized in a specific skill set. The establishment hosts state-of-the-art facilities for ship and submarine repairs, maintenance and overhaul of advanced marine engineering systems and complex weapons and sensors. Not only this, the yard's infrastructure and capabilities have kept pace with new inductions of the Navy, be it stealth frigates or anti-submarine corvettes. This modern yard has the capability to undertake multiple docking operations of a wide range of ships and submarines of various sizes. On an average, over 60 ships are docked every year for underwater repair and hull renewal. The combat arms are efficiently backed by production floors comprising hull fabrication and repair, machining and outfitting workshops, machinery control centres, diesel generator and gas turbine repair shops. The yard also has complete self-reliance on repair and overhaul of diesel engines, steam equipment, gas turbines and generators. Hull repairs from 2 mm to 35 mm of all grades of steel, aluminium and titanium are undertaken with accuracy and precision. The yard is also well equipped to undertake repairs and maintenance of electrical equipment ranging from alternators, motors and batteries to power distribution switchgear. Repair and maintenance of a wide range of weapon systems, sonars, electronic warfare systems, sensors and gun mounts of both indigenous and foreign origin is also undertaken by the yard. Special focus is given to project planning and its execution. Every refit that is undertaken, emphasis is given on adopting contemporary techniques and finishing in the shortest possible time frame. It is a reliable provider of wide spectrum of shore support services such as stabilized power supply, fresh water, mobile and fixed cranes to ships and submarines in the harbour. In fact, till date, the yard has successfully completed over 800 refits of ships and submarines and over 3,700 docking operations through meticulous planning and effective utilization of yard facilities and resources. All this is facilitated with a robust IT network within the yard. In fact, soon it will be the first smart yard of the Indian Navy, where technologies based on artificial intelligence, data analytics, Internet of Things have been implemented to improve efficiency and remote monitoring. In October 2014, Visakhapatnam was hit by a severe cyclonic storm, Hudhud, which caused extensive damage to property at the Naval Dockyard. Notwithstanding, the yard undertook speedy restoration of damaged assets to operationalize workshops and render support to our frontline units. Despite all the odds, Indian Navy ships Ranjit, Shivalik, Shakti and Eravat were made combat-ready to sail with relief material for humanitarian assistance and disaster relief operations. Quality inspection and control is undertaken to ensure safety and to achieve high-quality standards, as the systems on board naval platforms are extremely critical. In 2018, the yard was awarded the Best Organization certification by Quality Circle Forum of India for practicing and implementation of quality concepts. Despite its expanding infrastructure, the yard has endeavoured to maintain an impetus on retaining its green cover. Towards this, the yard has been awarded on numerous occasions for best green practices. To keep abreast with the changing technologies, regular training of personnel is undertaken with OEMs, PSUs and academic institutes, both within and outside the country. The yard also runs a Dockyard apprentice school to build technical expertise and meet the future requirement of repair yards of the Indian Navy. Adventure activities, yoga sessions, car rallies, biking expeditions and outdoor sports are all a part of life here. The dockyard also comprises a dispensary, responsible for providing medical cover, and a dedicated industrial canteen that provides healthy food to the employees of the yard. Naval Dockyard's Ships First approach and its motto of quality ships on time has ensured combat worthiness and ordnance on target by all naval ships and submarines based in the eastern seaboard. In line with the nation's mandate of Atmanirbhar Bharat, the yard has consistently resolved maintainability issues of naval assets by in-house efforts and has emerged as a key provider for technical support and innovative solutions to the naval forces of the Eastern Naval Command. Women working in the yard have also contributed immensely, as 20% of the workforce of the yard are women. Women officers and employees effectively contribute in production, outfitting, legal, technical, human resources, and even hull repairs, quality control, and much more. Distinguished personnel from the Naval Dockyard have been awarded by the Honourable Prime Minister for outstanding professionalism and contribution.
From its humble beginning as a boat repair shop in 1940, the Naval Dockyard Visakhapatnam has evolved over the years into a self-reliant and fully fledged dockyard with cutting-edge technology and equipment. With a motivated workforce, extensive infrastructure and equipment, the Naval Dockyard is geared to excel in supporting our fleet and future inductions of the Navy.
In the past 50 years, it is this goal, combined with a dedicated workforce, that has made the yard rise to occasions concerning the nation's security, diplomacy, natural disasters, and ongoing pandemic. During COVID-19, assistance for repair, maintenance and training of oxygen supply systems to major government hospitals across the state of Andhra Pradesh was provided by the Naval Dockyard. The yard has transformed into a technologically sound, self-reliant organization, capable of rendering support to our naval forces with only one focus in mind: maintaining peace and security and protecting the nation's maritime interest. This is the Naval Dockyard, Visakhapatnam. 50 glorious years in service of the nation.